In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your page layout in Google Docs for optimal formatting. Whether you're preparing an academic paper, a business document, or just about anything else, getting your page set up right is essential for a clean and professional appearance. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure your document looks neat and polished. To start, you'll want to open up your Google Docs file. This can be a document you've been working on or a new one you've just created. Once your document is open and ready, take a look at the top of your screen where you'll find the menu bar with various options. Now, what we're interested in here is the File tab, usually nestled on the far left side of the menu bar. Give that a click. As the drop-down menu appears, you'll see a range of options. But don't get overwhelmed. You're looking for the option that says Page Setup. Go ahead and select that from the list. Once you've clicked on Page Setup, a dialog box or a new window will open up in front of you. This is where all the magic happens. On this page, you'll see several settings related to how your document is laid out on the page. The section we're focusing on here is labeled Margins. You'll see 4 input boxes corresponding to each side of your page: top, bottom, left, and right. These values usually determine the amount of blank space between the text and the edge of the paper. For our purposes today, we're going to set each of these margins to 1 inch. So, carefully type 1 into each of the boxes: top, bottom, left, and right. If you're ever working on a document where a different margin setting is required, perhaps by a professor or a client, you can always return to this page and adjust the margins as needed. After you've updated these 4 boxes to reflect an inch on each side, it's time to apply these changes to your document. You'll see a button at the bottom right of the dialog box labeled OK. Clicking OK will save all these adjustments, and your document will now feature the 1-inch margins all around. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you have successfully set up the margins for your document in Google Docs. This setup provides the necessary white space around your text, enhancing readability and giving your document a clean, professional look. Remember, mastering these fundamental tools will serve you well as you work on more complicated projects in the future. Thanks for tuning in, and have fun formatting your documents.